Hi guys, we are going to learn the letter L. This is capital or uppercase letter and lowercase letter L in print. And this is capital letter or uppercase letter and lowercase letter L in cursive. Let's see some words. This is a lion. Lion. Is this a lion? Yes, this is a lion. Is this a tiger? No, this is not a tiger. Is this a tiger or a lion? Lion. Good job. This is a leaf. Leaf. Is this a leaf? Yes, this is a leaf. Is this a flower? No, this is not a flower. Is this a flower or a leaf? Yes, this is a leaf. This in here, this is a lake. Lake. Can you think of the word for lake in Spanish? Lago. Lake. Is this a lake? Yes, this is a lake. Is this a swimming pool? No, this is not a swimming pool. Is this a lake or a swimming pool? Yes, this is a lake. This is a lock. Lock. Is this a lock? Yes, this is a lock. Is this a key? No, this is not a key. Is this a key or a lock? Yes, this is a lock. This is a ladybug. Ladybug. Is this a ladybug? Yes, this is a ladybug. Is this an ant? No, this is not an ant. Is this an ant or a ladybug? Yes, this is a ladybug. This is a light bulb. Light bulb. Is this a light bulb? Yes, this is a light bulb. Is this a lamp? No, this is not a lamp. Is this a lamp or a light bulb? Yes, this is a light bulb. This is a lamp. Is this a lamp? Yes, this is a lamp. Is this a chair? No, this is not a chair. Is this a chair or a lamp? Yes, this is a lamp. This is a ladder. Ladder. Is this a ladder? Yes, this is a ladder. Is this a table? No, this is not a table. Is this a table or a ladder? Yes, this is a ladder. This is a lamb. Lamb. Is this a lamb? Yes, this is a lamb. Is this a dog? No, this is not a dog. Is this a lamb or a dog? Yes, this is a lamb. These are lips. Lips. Are these lips? Yes, these are lips. Are these eyes? No, these are not eyes. Are these lips or eyes? Yes, these are lips. These are legs. Legs. Are these legs? Yes, these are legs. Are they arms? No, they are not arms. Are these legs or arms? Yes, they are legs. Those are our letter L vocabulary words. What do you think? Did you like them? I hope you did. See you in class.